Hi friends, welcome back to Learn with me and Alia. Today we are going to learn a new topic in the chapter fractions. Checking equivalence of two fractions. Now we have learned the definition of equivalent fractions. Two or more fractions that represent the same amount is called equivalent fraction. Now let us start our lesson. Let me ask you an important question. So here there are two fractions, 15 upon 20 and 3 upon 4. Now let me ask you something. Are these two fractions equivalent? How can we find out if these two fractions are equivalent? Now there is a simple technique to do so. This technique we should cross multiply. In this technique we need to learn cross multiplication. Okay. So first let us learn how to check equivalence of two fractions. Now first we are going to do cross multiplication. The numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second fraction, we will multiply them together, and the denominator of the first fraction and the numerator of the second fraction, we will multiply them together. I will show you. First we will multiply 15 into 4. 15 into 4 is 60. 20 into 3. Now we will multiply 20 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 0 3s are 0. 60. Now we will check whether the products of these two are equal. So 60 and 60, these are equal. So now we will tell these two fractions are equivalent. If the products are equal, they are equivalent. If the products are not equal, they are not equivalent. Now they are equivalent. Okay. So the steps are simple. We should cross multiply and check if the products are equal. If they are equal, then they are equivalent fractions. If they are not equal, they are not equivalent fraction. So I hope you understood this. Now we will learn a few more. We will learn more with a few examples. Okay. So now let us learn extra from an example. Now before we do this example, let us learn the formula of this, the checking the equivalence. Okay. The numerator of the first fraction into the denominator of the second fraction is equal to the numerator of the second fraction into the denominator of the first fraction. In short form we can say n1 into d2 equals n2 into d1. Okay. So remember this formula, it can be very useful. Now let us learn an example. 3 upon 4 and 9 upon 12. Are these equivalent fractions? Let us find out. So first we need to cross multiply. Okay. We will multiply 3 into 12 first. 3 into 12 is 36. Next 4 into 9. Okay. 4 into 9 is 36. Now we look whether the products are equal. So they are equal. Now if they are equal, then 3 upon 4 and 9 upon 12 are equivalent fractions. So now let us do an exercise. In this exercise we will check whether these fractions are equivalent. Okay. So let's start. The first question is 1 by 3 and 4 upon 9. So let us start. We will cross multiply. Okay. First we will do 1 into 9. 1 into 9 equals 9. And then 4 into 3. 4 into 3, as you all very well know, is 12. So these two products are not equal. So these fractions are not equivalent. Okay. They are not equivalent. the first question. Hope you understood it. Now let us move on to the next question. Our second question is 3 upon 8 and 9 upon 22. So let us start our question. Okay. First we will cross multiply 3 and 22. Okay. So it is easy. 3 into 2 is 6 and 2 into 3 is 6. 66. And 8 into 9. 8 into 9 is 72. Okay. So now we can clearly see that these are not equivalent fraction because these products are not equivalent. Okay. So 3 upon 8 and 9 upon 22 are not equivalent fractions. Okay, now let us move on to the next question, children. So the third question is 24 by 28 and 6 by 7. So let us cross multiply 24 into 7 and 28 into 6. 24 into 7 is 168 and 28 into 6 is also 168. So both of them are equal. So these two are equivalent fractions. Okay, 24 by 28 and 6 by 7 are equivalent fractions. So let us move on to the next question. Let us continue. Our next question is 2 upon 3 and 10 upon 15. So let us do it. Let us cross multiply. First it is 2 into 15. 2 into 15 is 30. Now it is 3 into 10. 3 into 10 is 30. It's simple. So this 2 by 3 and 10 by 15 is an equivalent fraction. Okay. So now I hope all of you understood this. This is an easy topic, right? So now students, we have finished today's class. Hope you all understood this class. Now we will learn many more topics in the coming videos. Till then, bye bye and take care.